Good afternoon, everybody. I come to you today with another video here. Today we're going to be talking about how to optimize your SEO for your on page on your website. The first thing you want to do basically here, just to get right into this, is to structure each one of your pages around your main keyword for that page. So, for example, this is my site here. We're on the lead generation page. What we want to do is we want to structure this main keyword into the page at the H1 level. And to check your H1 level, you just come in here, you scroll down and check your H1. You can right click on it and inspect. You want to make sure that these are at the H1 levels. This is a heading tag. So if we come down here right now, we'll click on this, we'll see that this is an H1 style, this is in a question form because that's a lot of questions that I'm getting around that topic. So that's what I've been structuring it as a question. And these should be H2s and so on. But I will go through why your main keyword is what the page is going to be about. So you want to semantically relate these keywords into your H1 tags. So basically your lead generation services is what the page is about. And scrolling down, this is what lead generation and why it's essential to every business. It's a question. Lead generation through strategic inbound marketing. Now this is going to be a H2 because it's based around your main keyword, and it's semantically related, which is going to be reworded. It's more of a longer tail variation of your main keyword is what you want to focus on. And then further down, like website optimization for lead generation. Now this is going to be another longer tail keyword, and you could turn it into an H3. And if you really wanted to, you could say if you put it the H3s, you can convert these H3s into internal links if you'd like to link back to your home page, or you can use just a normal internal link to link back to your home page. So instead of saying, we can add, where's it at? We can basically put in here some lead generation in the Woodsfield, Ohio area, and then we can link that back to our home page, which is here, which is our main page right here. And this is about web design and search engine optimization. So basically you see that our web design is our number one keyword. If you click on it right here, this is our main keyword. This is our H1, web design and SEO. And as you scroll down, you'll see our next one, web design done right. That was one of our other keywords that we found through our keyword optimization and keyword research. This was another keyword that we wanted to use. Keyword web design done right. Just some odd different words in there sometimes you want to throw in there. And then we're going to link these back. And your H2s, as you can see, this is an H2. And if you scroll on down, this is a longer variation of an H2. And this should be an H3, yes. The best web design that makes an inevitable impact. So, and these are right here. This I can link back to the home page in Woodsfield, Ohio. So we can just put that in there as the best web design in Woodsfield, Ohio, and we can link it to the home page. So your main keyword is what you want to link your main page about. Every one of your pages. So every one of your pages. So if we have SEO services, your SEO services is going to be about right here. It's going to be your main key, your H1. As you look, that's your H1. And if you scroll down here, our H2 should be right here. This should be our H2. Let's see. Yes, it is. See, specialized SEO. That's another long tail variation of our keyword. Our H3 is going to be recognize the importance of SEO. This should be an H3, and it's not. That's okay. So we'll have to get that changed to an H3. So basically, the SEO guy didn't fix that. one of our web designers. This was supposed to be on H3. Recognize the importance of SEO. That's a longer tail variation of your one of your main keywords. So that's fine. So you kind of get the gist of what we're doing here. Then you want to have your about page on here, obviously, a contact page. You really need an HTML. You need your HTML sitemap, which is for the users, which is for like somebody like you and me looking on the website. And then you need your sitemap dot. Then you're going to need this. This is for Google. You want your sitemap.html or .xml, which is your sitemap, and then you want an HTML sitemap down in here, and you want it to also be in your robots.txt file. If you look at ours, let's see what ours is. So you also are going to want a robots.txt. Now, ours should be in here, and it's not. We got to add that. Now you're going to want your username. You're going to want your sitemap in this also, which is very simple to do. You have to do is log into your back end and go to. I can show you that real quick. Here's all you got to do to put that in there. To add your sitemap, which is, we already know, which is sitemap.xml. Then we're going to want to go in here, and we're going to go into, I think it's settings. The settings. Customize themes, background, theme editor. Pretty sure it's in settings. Is it reading? No. It's not reading. Maybe it's discussion. No. Anyway, it's in here. You just got to find it. I just have to go look for it again. I forget where it's at. I always forget where it's at. Anyway, you want to, this is your sitemap right here. That's in there. You want your sitemap, and then you want to go into, you don't want media. It's got to be in the appearance. Let's go to customize. Customize our appearance. It's not in there. Yeah. Anyway, we'll save that for a future video. So you got your sitemap. If you have any questions, just email me at im@danieldinbo.com, and I'll remember how to go into that. I just forgot right now. Anyway, so you want to be able to come over here and you want to put your services that you provide. You want your laid out structure here. You want the services that you provide, which is basically your keywords. You want to have an HTML version in your sitemap, in your footer, and you also want your robots.txt file to be in there. And your terms of service page you're going to want on here also, and a privacy policy page. And then you want to internally link all your pages. So we want to go here to SEO services, and we want to link this back to, we're going to put this in somewhere in here and put an SEO, or link this back to our main page, which is, website design. So we'll go through here and either add something about website design in Woodsfield, and we'll basically link that to that home page, and then we'll do that for every one of those. So that's basically how you structure your website and optimize it for SEO. Is you want to do basically have your H1s, H2s, and H3s. Your main keywords is your H1s, your H2s is your longer tail variations, your H3s is can be internal links. You don't have to be, but you either want semantically related keywords and or longer tail or question type forms as your 2s and 3s. And then you want to make sure you've got at least 500 words of content on your page, and your page is authentic. It's not copywritten. There's no copyright, and you want to make sure that it's got good content on. You don't want to have content that's not readable or anything like that. So if you have any other questions, just feel free to message me at I'm@danieldinbo.com, or you can do danieldinbo@gmail. If you have any other questions, feel free to enter them there, and you guys have a great day.